can see its organs. Come, have a look. I'm studying Alzheimer's, a complex neurodegenerative disease of the brain.
With this, do they even have a brain?
Indeed, the C. elegans have 302 neurons. It depends on their sex, though. Male C. elegans have 383 neurons.
And it's the females who have 302 neurons.
Nope, not females. Hermaphrodites.
What?
Most C. elegans are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs.
Interesting. Wait, does that mean they can fertilize themselves? These are cool animals. Wait, is this what C. elegans usually do?
What?